And welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys had a great day. We're actually at D-Wix's house. We will be working on the Kouptie. We're working on rolling Kouptie back, putting him in the garage, and we'll be pretty much doing everything we did to Tonka. We'll be taking all the suspension off, cleaning him off, painting him, and then, of course, reinstalling everything. So, anyway, once we do that, then we'll install all this pretty suspension parts. Everything for suspension will be pretty much the same, so I won't really cover anything. There'll just be clips of this. We'll be doing more stuff tomorrow. But happy Monday, guys. This is Saturday for me, but as I upload this, it's Monday. Alright guys, now we got the lower subframe out, the EK subframe, along with everything else. All we did was take the strut forks off of the front lower control arms, undid the upper ball joints or camber kits, whatever you want to call it. We took those out. We undid all the 19s that are around there. There are 4 in the back, pause, where the compliance bushing is, and then 1 where it hooks up to the front of the frame around right here on each side. And then we just use the jack. We use this baby jack, so we had wood stacked up, lowered it down, it's all out. We'll take everything apart now, but we'll take apart the rear first.
Come on, man.
Kouptie is really clean under here, guys. It's gonna be a lot easier to clean other than Tonka. What the fuck is that? What is that? And all the old suspension is out. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a night. Kouptie has all the suspension off, and we'll unbolt everything separately and stuff like that off of the car. But tomorrow we will be cleaning and possibly painting. So catch you guys in a second. New day. So I got the supplies in the back seat and about to go get a Red Bull and head over to D-Wix's. Alright guys, so we decided to paint the engine bay of Kouptie before we do anything else, before we undercoat and clean the underneath. So D-Wix is cleaning it up right now, and then we'll acetone it, or scuff it a little bit, acetone it, and then paint it. But Honda does this beautiful thing. Hold on, let me turn this light on. That whenever you do a manual swap, they don't have it welded. This little plate right here is where your clutch pedal will be. On EGs, see, you just poke these out. I can't get that one right now, but on EGs, there's a little metal plate right there, and the studs come inwards, pause, and then you just undo. They should be 10s or 12s, I can't remember, but Tonka was like that. But Honda does this beautiful thing to where when you convert it, you don't need a drill hole, cut a hole, or anything. Alright, back from Walmart. So we went and got Scotch-Brite pads. We're going to scuff everything up, acetone it, clean it off, primer it. We grabbed sandpaper from my house. As you guys see, we don't have much room to work with, as always. But we will probably be hitting it with 1000 grit and then cleaning up with water and stuff like that, painting it, and then hitting it with 1200 and then calling it good, because between coats and stuff like that, once you smoothen it, it actually makes the paint look way better once you wet sand. But let's get it. guys, this will actually conclude this video. We are transitioning over to Kouptie, as you can tell. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Stay blessed, stay slaying, keep fucking gunning, and I'll catch you guys next time.